The Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory is one of the most advanced superbikes on the market, and today on AutoSpec we're diving deep into what makes it such an incredible machine. Powered by a 1099cc V4 engine, this bike delivers a staggering 217 horsepower, ensuring mind-blowing acceleration and a top speed that can exceed 300 km per hour. The roar of the V4 engine is iconic, and the ride-by-wire throttle system ensures the power delivery is smooth and responsive, making it as thrilling on the track as it is on the road. Bike's handling is impeccable, thanks to its aluminum dual-beam chassis, strikes the perfect balance between rigidity and flexibility. This chassis, developed from years of racing expertise, allows the RSV4 to carve corners with precision and confidence. Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension adjusts dynamically to different riding conditions, offering both comfort and performance, whether you're on a track or cruising on the highway. The Brembo Stylema brakes, paired with 330mm dual front discs, provide exceptional stopping power, while the cornering ABS, traction control, and wheelie control ensure safety without compromising on performance. The aerodynamic design of the RSV4 1100 Factory, inspired by MotoGP technology, includes integrated winglets that help generate downforce at high speeds, improving stability and control. With carbon fiber elements and a sleek, aggressive look, this bike doesn't just perform, it's a visual masterpiece. The TFT display provides all the critical information you need at a glance, and the Aprilia Performance Ride Control APR system offers customizable rider aids like launch control, quick shifting, and various traction control settings for a truly tailored experience. Priced at around $25,000, the Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory is a high-end superbike that offers unmatched power, precision, and cutting-edge technology. From its aggressive design to its race-ready performance, this is the ultimate machine for thrill seekers and speed enthusiasts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoSpec for more in-depth reviews of the world's most exciting bike.